excited to get this opportunity to come see the production, and I'm hoping that's going to learn something from it.
Hi, my name is Thando Malinga. I'm from Johannesburg Secondary School. I'm very excited about today, and the thing that we're gonna watch, I hope that it has a bit of comedy because I just love laughing, but at the same time educational, so that we can learn something.
Well, hi, my name is Nundumis and I'm from Different Secondary number 3. And as I came here, I do not only expect entertainment, but I expect to learn more from the thing that we're going to watch, you know, because I'm here to grow more on my knowledge of how art is produced or how it works. So yeah, I just thank Tokosan for this kind of opportunity, and for them to choose our schools for us to get this kind of opportunity, because without them, I mean, hey, we'll be still at home or somewhere else doing something. So yeah.